This is a note you wrote on July 22nd, 2015.
That is correct.
Amber Heard is once again in a tight spot after photos of her handwriting basically exposed how she might have forged court documents, and people are shocked. Not to mention how this will surely create more holes in her statements and demolish her credibility even more if proven true. So, how important are these photos? And will Johnny Depp's team finally reveal Amber's lies? Let's find out. We all know about the controversial TMZ photo where Amber Heard is seen sporting a cutlet. Amber's lawyers tried to enter the photo as evidence but were ultimately stricken out by the judge because it was not submitted on time. However, we are not going to focus on how Amber looks like she's taking a selfie because this time, her handwriting is the center of attention. Netizens were quick to compare Amber's handwriting to Johnny's alleged handwriting on the mirror in Australia, as well as the journal entries that her team introduced as evidence during the trial. And by the looks of it, it doesn't need rocket science to notice that there are indeed some similarities between the two. You can even say it was written by the same person because of how similar the strokes are. This is why it is very important to establish whether this is really Amber's handiwork, because if Depp's team can prove that Amber forced these documents, her entire testimony will crumble. Sharing the same thought, this fan wrote, "I think this illustrates that she tried to mimic his handwriting here in the journal as well as the mirror." Another fan wrote, "Look at the bottom of every love journal entry she writes, always signed with 20. Now, look at the bottom of the note sent to TMZ, 20. And while everyone is already convinced that Amber really did forge documents to use against her ex-husband, a few remain skeptical about it. One of them is this fan who said, "I do not want to be devil's lawyer, but a few letters are not enough to pass on the court to be claimed it is the same handwriting. I agree it really looks similar, but still, I doubt it would pass as evidence." So far, Depp's lawyer hasn't emphasized this uncanny similarity, but as the trial continues, they might just drop a bomb and use this against Amber and her team, and if they do, it will really catch the opposing party off guard. How about you? Do you think Amber copied Johnny's handwriting? If yes, should the court punish Amber for doing so? Let us know in the comments below.